Hello, welcome to Kweku Tech. If today is your first time, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. Have you been wondering how to create posts on WhatsApp? If your answer is yes, then WhatsApp has got a solution for you. Let's go straight onto my phone. Let me demonstrate to you how it is being done. So before I start, WhatsApp has also introduced a new feature on the status, which is the voice note. As you can see here, you just click on it and record your voice. I don't know the essence of this, but if you know, please don't forget to leave your opinion under the comment section of this video. So let's go straight on how the posts are being created. So as you can see in this group, I have a group called the Tech Ideas and Jobs. The Tech Ideas and Jobs, I normally share tech event things going on and also jobs which are around Ghana. So let me create a poll for you to see. You click on the plus here and click on the poll. So maybe the poll, you have a question in mind. My question is Kweku Tech the biggest tech YouTube channel in Ghana? So my options that I'll give here is yes, no, and maybe. Yours can be different. You can put anything you want. Okay, after that I click on the send. So as you can see in the group, it's Kweku Tech the biggest YouTube channel in Ghana. So if someone answered, as you can see, there is this tinted view votes over here. Let me show you one that I did here, which is, do you think Google Bard AI will surpass ChatGPT when it is released? What do you think about this? Also leave your opinions under the comment section below. So as you can see, people have voted here, and you can see as the answers go, most people say no, some say maybe. So let's see. So if I click on the view, you'll see the people who said no and the people who said maybe. This is how it is being done. You can use any question as you want. Please don't forget, if this has been useful to you, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. Peace.